In this video, I'm going to review everything in detail on how cassava leaves do wonders in laying hens and how to do it, the potential risk and precautions, all you need to know in this video. So don't go away, stay tuned till the end of this video for you to improve your base laying rate. I welcome you to the channel. Let's take farming as a business. Cassava leaves can be a beneficial feed supplement for laying hens, that is, when properly prepared and fed in moderation. So listen carefully. Here is what you need to know: how it benefits your laying hens. Cassava leaves on dry matter contains 20 to 30% of protein. So in other words, it means it's a perfect alternative source of protein to our chickens. So this protein content we get in this dry cassava leaves supports in egg production. Not just that, but in muscle development as well. Cassava leaves are not only rich in high protein content, but in vitamin A, B, C, and minerals such as calcium, iron, and phosphorus. So you are not going to be getting just a simple ordinary eggs here, but eggs with improved yolk color and strong eggshells. And also these minerals improve health to our birds as well. Since chicken feed prices has gone up in many countries, this is a low-cost feed alternative, especially in regions where there is plenty of cassava. Take this as an advantage to your side. For this to work, here is what you should do before feeding the cassava leaves to your birds. Firstly, dry the leaves. You can sun dry them for 3 to 4 days. And the question is, why drying them? Okay, this is to reduce hydrogen cyanide by 50 to 70% because raw cassava contains toxins that can be harmful to your birds. So the other solution to further reduce the toxicity is to boil or ferment these dried cassava leaves and then mix with other feeds, but should not exceed 10 to 20% of total diet. So furthermore, on the how part, as I said, you harvest and dry the cassava leaves for 3 to 4 days. You then grind the leaves into powder. Mix 5 to 10% dried leaves with regular feed. On boiling part, make sure you boil for 10 to 15 minutes and you drain the water and mix the leaves with other feed also. On fermenting, this helps a lot to improve digestibility and reduce anti-nutrients. Give it a try and observe effects. I guarantee you get 5 to 10% improved yolk color, strong eggshells, improved laying rate, but only if properly processed. And they provide cheap protein-rich supplement, but should not replace balanced poultry feed entirely. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you on the next one. Peace, love and light.